gotta let y'all know. Get it parked yourself. Y'all stay tuned, man. We got more to come. What's going on, my YouTube people? It's your boy, the one and only Zoolife 5.0. So, if you haven't hit the subscribe button, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. If you haven't hit that like button, do that too. I know I ain't been doing everything I said I was gonna do with all my other videos and stuff, but I ain't had no music, so I can't drop a lot of stuff, but I'm gonna get some music. And if anybody out there got some music for me, man, link up with me, you know what I'm saying? I can play your music on my videos and everything. But back to the topic of the day is, I went ahead and got the new car, y'all. I went ahead and decided to go ahead and get the black label Lincoln Continental, fully loaded, you know what I'm saying? Take a look at it, I gotta clean it up, you know. And the bad thing about it is, man, I missed the delivery, because, you know, I don't go to the damn stores like everybody else and buy cars. I get my delivery. I always shop online and stuff, and I get my cars delivered, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna show you a video of that. But I missed the delivery, y'all. It was a disappointment, but y'all get a little look through, you know what I'm saying? I told y'all I was gonna change it up. I changed it up big time. We're in the black label Continental. I wanted that coach, but you know, it was asking for too much. But this is what we rolling in now. One time for y'all. All right, we got the we got the rear curtain in the back. So we got the rear curtain in the back. Big boy sunroof. Oh yeah. We got the massaging seats if y'all want to look at them right there. We got massaging seats right here, so I stepped it up. We got the massaging seats right here. Get your massage on, you feel me? You see it right here, check it out. Go high and low with it. You feel me? Get your massage while you ride with me, you know what I mean? But this is a new ride, man. Y'all stay tuned, man. We're gonna put this thing on the road, see how she ride. That's a new ride. Oh, also, I got a surprise for y'all. I did not get rid of my Genesis. I still got the Genesis 5.0. So y'all stay tuned. I'm gonna show y'all what I did with that, because I gave it away. So y'all stay tuned and see who got it. These boys found. See, you out.